Hey folks, Adam here. And as you know, I've been a runner since day one. Going back to my high school years, being on the cross country team, being cross country captain, I realized it was a great way to get in shape for sports. Then quickly I realized it was a great way to keep the weight off. And in the military, with all the military fitness tests, I realized that treadmills were the best way to max out my fitness test. But you know what? The one thing about it, as my garage gym has gotten more and more cluttered, there's not always a lot of space to put a treadmill down. But that's where the Run came in very handy with this, an easily foldable treadmill that goes up, comes back down, and will limit the amount of space that you need to get your workout in. Now, some of the things I like about this, easily going 8 miles an hour, or you can go at a leisurely walk pace. And as I'm pushing 50, I start to realize that, hey, you know what? Maybe I don't need to be putting that extra weight on my joints and really pounding out the high speeds every single day. That's where walking comes in. Walking, in my opinion, is the best exercise for us. You're doing not nearly as much impact on your knees and ankles, but you're still getting in those steps, you're still burning the calories, and you're still keeping active. Now, the Run has come up with a great treadmill that is easily adjustable. You can see we have an incline here, and it's adjustable incline manually, and we can go ahead, you gotta do this on both sides, and you can easily adjust the angle in a matter of seconds. And this treadmill does set up in a matter of minutes. Now, some of the things I like about this, it will keep your pulse very easily and conveniently. It has a non-slip design here to where it's easy to use. It's plenty wide, and it has an 18-inch screen. Now, as somebody who is bigger, well north of 200 pounds, I can get a full stride here. You can see this is great for somebody who's bigger, but also great for somebody who's smaller. Then on top of that, it has sturdy support if you need a little support here, and it has all the safety features to stop it should you slip or anything like that. Now, with a nice wide stance, you're able to get plenty of distance without tripping, and again, that long stride is absolutely perfect for a person like me. I'm about 6'3". Now, let me go and show you a little bit more about it. Next, let me show you the modes, and then we're going to give you even more details about this very phenomenal THERUN treadmill. Now, folks, one of the things I like very much about this is the easy design. We've got the clip right here. So should we fall off, slip off, or step off, it automatically stops. That's very nice. We have the hand grips right here that will help keep my pulse. And then with that 18-inch LED screen, this thing is absolutely beautiful. I can tell you my pulse right now is 75. I don't know if that's good or bad, but we're talking on camera, so I'll accept it. And then, yeah, you can get started at a push of a button with that green start button. It does a little countdown, and it starts you off nice and slow to where you can get your walk going. Now, in an environment like Florida, being able to put this indoors when you can't go out and walk in those hot summer months is great. And in my hometown of Grayling, Michigan, in the winter, it gets too cold for walking. You don't want to slip on the ice, but you can be ultra safe here on this treadmill. So right now, we're already going 4 miles per hour, and we're getting our steps in. This is a great device that we can put some TV in front of, and we can have a good time. Now, what happens if I slip? It automatically shuts off to make sure that I'm ultra safe, and you can hear the little alarm sounded to make sure that we're all secure. All right, now let me show you the handheld controls. Now, folks, the controls are very convenient. You can see we can go ahead and put our hands right here to go ahead and take our pulse. This is strong enough and sturdy enough to where I can put my whole 200 plus pounds on this without even bending it. I'll tell you, a lot of other treadmills, they can't support my weight because this one has a very nice sturdy design. You can adjust the speed up and down and start and stop right here at a push of a button with that 3, 2, 1 countdown. And then we can easily adjust the speed with a fingertip. So very nice there. And let's go ahead and max that speed out. Actually at 9 miles per hour. How cool is that? So the presets, and let me stress this here, folks, the presets of 2, 4, 6, and 8, but we can actually increase the speed to 9 miles an hour. It's going to measure our distance, our time, and our calories. And of course, in real life, those LEDs are going to shine much brighter, and I love that piano black surface. All right, folks, I really do like that you can scroll through the modes. 50 calories, 30 minutes, 1 mile, and then you can adjust accordingly from there. Say you want 1.5 miles, or you want 55 calories, or you can adjust the time. Very easy to adjust. All right, folks, the other thing I do want to point out is that overall quality associated with the Run. These guys have practically a 0 defect rate, and this is a good one to get fit. I always say that when I want to lose that extra 10 or 15 pounds from my belly, when it starts getting a little too much, I just get on the treadmill. That can be walking, that can be running, but as long as you're out moving, you're burning calories. Amy always says it doesn't matter if you walk or run a mile, it's just as good for you. I love the fact that this isn't just a walking pad. I can get a walk in, but I can easily and conveniently kick that up to a run. It's perfect for outdoors, keeping you from being outdoors, particularly in this hot Florida sun, keeping you in the shade. Maybe put a TV in front of it, or you can put your phone right on the ledge here. There's a lot of additional space for you to be able to put your personal belongings like your keys, your phone, whatever right in front of you. Even got plenty of space to put a tablet in front of you to where you can watch your favorite show while you work out. All right, folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land, and this one is an absolute winner. So if you're looking to be your best self this summer, this winter, this fall, this spring, the Run's got you covered. Highly recommend you pick one up. It's a great brand. I've had a lot of treadmills from this company, and I've never had one that's anything but perfect. Go check it out. You will not be disappointed. It's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos.